Let's see how to sync and connect your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds, including any Galaxy Buds, to the Galaxy Watch 8. We'll also show you how to fix if your Bluetooth device is not connecting to the watch. For that, first make sure your Bluetooth headphone or buds got enough charge. And whatever Bluetooth device you're trying to connect, make sure it's on the pairing mode. Now grab your watch. You can either swipe down the quick access panel or swipe to the Bluetooth icon, and then you can press long over the Bluetooth icon to open its settings. Or you can go ahead and open settings, from there to connections. And then go to Bluetooth option. Just make sure it's turned on, scroll down, and your Bluetooth device's name will show up in this available device list. Tap on the name, and if you get pairing pop-up, just hit the tick sign to confirm. In case your Bluetooth device name is not showing up or it's not connecting, whatever device you're trying to connect, just go ahead, hard reset it depending on the type of your Bluetooth device. And after that, give your Watch 8 a force restart. It will fix the issue if a minor glitch is causing it. And then you'll have no trouble connecting your wireless headphone to your Galaxy Watch 8. Thanks for watching.